everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make the stir fry Chinese mushroom and dried bean curd. So you guys go ahead and see all the ingredients, and I'm going to introduce these two sauces that I always use in my cooking. They are gluten-free. So this is the gluten-free oyster sauce from Mega Chef. So it's endorsed by Celiac Australia. And this one is the black bean stew sauce by Organic Spring. There you go. So here, this is the dry black fungus. So I soak this in water. You need to soak till it's softened so that you can be used. Okay, next, soak your bean curd for an hour till it's softened. This is actually one of my favorite dishes that my late grandma would always love to cook all the time for me when I was younger. So anything that got to do with bean curd, tofu, anything with beans is always my favorite dishes of all time. Okay, here you go, just let it soak, let it stay aside. So now next, let's clean the mushrooms. Yeah, I took the stem off, and I would love to take the end of the stem like this, just scrape it off. Do you guys say scrape it off, or yeah, just clear it off? There. So you just slice it like this, and yeah, and go ahead and slice it the rest of the mushrooms. So next we can start cutting off the scallion. So cut it into half. Like the usual, I love to use the back stem for stir frying, and the front part of these scallions, I will use it for like garnishing sprinkles. So this is the front part of the scallion, so I'll cut like this sideways so that I can use it for garnish. So next, the chilies. So next, peel the carrot and cut them into like a matchstick. Okay, once all done, we can start heat up the pan, add in the oil. You can use any oil you want, it's up to you. What I'm using here is the peanut oil. So I'm going to put the scallion or the mushroom, and give it a good stir fry for around 1 or 2 minutes. And next we're gonna add in the bean curd and give it a good fry. So add in the carrot. Okay, next we're gonna add the oyster sauce and the black bean stew sauce for 1 tablespoon each. Then we can slowly add the water so that it won't be that salty, because this combination of these two sauces is going to be quite salty, but it's a umami salty, not that kind of a salty. So yeah, so give it a good stir for another 2 minutes. So next we add in the black fungus, add in a little bit of salt to bring up the flavor, and next is the white pepper. Well, you guys could choose to skip the salt part if you guys do not want any salt in your dishes. It actually can be done. It still tastes great. The reason I put salt in it because I already have a habit, like how my grandmother always did. You put salt in everything. Yeah. So next you're gonna put in your cornstarch and the chili and the scallion in it and start to stir it all together. So the cornstarch, you need to add a little bit of water and pour it in, so it will make the sauce more thicker. So after all well combined, and leave it for a minute and you're good to go. You can serve it right away. Okay, one is done. Plate it up, serve it with hot rice, or you guys can actually cook like a plain noodle or maybe porridge. It goes well with it. So this is how it looks like, my stir-fried Chinese mushroom and dried bean curd. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys love it. And don't forget to please subscribe on my channel, like and share with your family and friends. So see you guys on my next channel. Bye.